Well, welcome to Papa Bear's Peppers, and I'm Harold, and today, well, this is my second review today. This is something that kind of is unprecedented for me. I normally will not do 2 reviews in a day, but earlier I did a review of my 2 variants of chocolate DSP, Death Spiral X Primatali. They're crossed with a Primatali. I tried a version of this. These are my chocolate Death Spiral Primatali standard version. And I have another plant that's putting out a variant like this. Got a little bit of red hue to it, I suppose, but they're chocolate and they're really cool. About all of them on the plant have it like this. I was not paying attention, and the mic that you see right here, I didn't have it on. And so the whole thing, I'm sitting there talking, doing my thing. I didn't have any sound, so I'm going to be having to do a voiceover on that one just to get it out. Or either that or it's going to be like watching silent pictures. But anyway, I got some peppers here from Matthew Arthur. We kind of did a swap. So now these are some of mine. I wanted to show these off again. I grow with Recharge, Real Growers, really great stuff. Check out these Peach Primos. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful Peach Primos. I couldn't make a better example of a Peach Primo than that guy right there. Look at these. Are those not just beautiful? And they're hot. So I got peppers from that I'm going to be doing here in my Matthew Arthur series. I have the Warthog Purple to Red here. I had just gotten these, so I hadn't really looked a lot. These ones are more of a flat, I guess, as you can see. That more true to the Warthog shape that Matthew likes to grow. They're really cool. I like how they grow. They're just kind of, I'm going to be getting to one of those. Those are the purple to red variant. A really cool one that I like, that I think is an absolutely gorgeous pepper. I want to show you a couple variants. These are the Purple Jigsaw. Look at those gorgeous, gorgeous peppers. Folks, I'm going to tell you right now, I don't know if the camera's doing it justice. They're absolutely beautiful, gorgeous peppers. And I'm so grateful that Matt sent some to me. They're just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful peppers. I love them. I just think that they're very cool. They've got that purple and red hues to them. They're just gorgeous peppers. They're a Gator Jigsaw variant. So that tells you something in itself. Next is one of his other ones that he really thinks is a good one too, and this is Miss Daisy. And I'll be getting to this one too. Now you can tell this one really kind of has Warthog traits to it. Warthog, just like Daisy Cutter, Warthog, kind of a multitude of different things. So yeah, I'm showing some off right now. I don't know what I'm going to get into, and then alas, the Warthog. I'll be doing these. These are going to be the final review, because like I told Matthew, I was like, buddy, I'm a glutton for the punishment of the heat, and I gotta feel it. I gotta feel the pain. I just got to. So One of those things that, you know it's one of the hottest things out there. You got to. I have a very hot pepper in the chocolate DSP, and so it'll be interesting. Now, tonight I'm going to be doing a review. This is an off pheno of the Purple Gator Jigsaw. So we're gonna see. You know what? If you know anything about the Gator Jigsaw, you already know that that cross is lethal. It is a hot cross anyway, and then you bring in a red variant, and who knows what's going to happen here. But yeah, so anyway, I put it off long enough. This is the Purple Gator Jigsaw. I have no idea what I'm getting into, and I'm actually going into, oh boy, yep. Let me see if I can get the glare for showing you the oil. This one's a harder blade to see it on. There it is. Harder blade to see it on, but it's there. By the way, I have never done 2 reviews in a day, so this is really something new to me. Oof. So, you know, how do I know this just smells like, okay, because there's something weird about Matt's peppers, that whatever reason, what he grows, Warthog, all of them, they always end up having some kind of sweetness to them. I wish I could explain it, but I just know it. And I smell it on this one. So I'm kind of curious if this is going to be another one of those. I am not, trust me, I'm not pulling this thing apart. It's just like any pepper. I want to show you this first of all. Look at that placenta on that thing. Whew, that's like almost solid. So I want to open this a little bit so I can, because if this is something, you all have seen me do the Purple Naga Viper brain strain cross. That thing was wicked hot. That's a Matthew Arthur creation as well. One that I had acquired through Larry Crow 2. And I was like, okay, that was actually piping hot too. Just another creation of my good friend Matthew Arthur. He just, yeah. And I say that because I have known Matthew. God, I knew him for a long time. First of all, I'm not a seed. I don't like seeds when I eat peppers, so I don't want to shred this thing apart either in the same respect. I don't want to do damage to it that I can smell it. This is going to be, let's see if I got, it's one of those going to probably be one of those deceiving things like seems to always happen with Matthews. I was watching Johnny Scoville. Let me show you the inside of that. So you see the damage isn't like severe. It's all, the placenta is intact. You can see that glistening, can't you? Yeah. All the placenta is intact. I don't like to take away from where the heat actually is, which is in the placenta. However, indicative of all of Matthew's creations, he makes some absolutely awesome peppers. And I'm sure this is going to be another variation. We're going to chase it and see how hot this is. This is the Purple Gator Jigsaw red variant. It's an off pheno. We're going to shoot it. Still had seeds in it. It's coming. It's going to be hot. Word to the wise, if you're going to eat peppers like this, chew them up. So that one still had a lot of seeds in it, but it's going to be a builder. Flavor-wise, I don't know that it had it. It didn't have a strong genetics. I got to wash it down. There was a lot of seed in there. It's going to be hot. I can feel it building. So that is a searing burn. It's on my tongue right now. It was like it was going to go to my throat and it went to my tongue, which I'm actually glad because I can handle a tongue burn quite well. This is just like, it's all over the tip of my tongue. It's crazy. A little bit back in the throat, but most of it's all on my tongue. Again, this is a Matthew Arthur creation. It's a different kind of heat, okay? It's like, it's creeping right now, but the heat is weird. It's building. It's a real slow build. It's ramping, but it's probably right now, I'd say that one's at least. It's like my whole mouth is burning right now. Like my mouth too. My tongue and my mouth, which is a weird burn. It's more of a stinging burn than it is like than a normal type of a. The burn is just different. It's not, it's probably about a 7, 6 or 7, 6.5, 7. It's hot. Oh look, I've been eating a lot of peppers, so it's the burn is just more stinging. Yeah, it's more of a stinging burn. It's a good burn. The flavor is unique. I could smell some capsaicin, but it didn't have that strong capsaicin taste. But the burn is a sting. It's not a, I don't know, it's not like a searing, it's a stinging, like, almost be like rubbing sandpaper. It's really weird. It's a good burn, I like it. I'm sure they'll do nothing but go up from here. If this is indicative of what I'm in for here soon, I'm gonna be in for a ride. I talk with Matt a lot, I do. I respect his growing immensely. I have for, shoot, I don't know, Matt, I'd say 20 years that we've known each other. At least, probably closer to longer than that. When Matt finally came onto Facebook, this is a Purple Gator Jigsaw off pheno. It's red, obviously. So maybe it's a, I don't know. It's hot. Okay, so if you're not doing peppers on the regular, you're in trouble. You are. You're probably right now if you're not used to heat like this, you're in trouble. Your whole night's gone, man. I'm telling you right now. I'm coming down off of it, but listen, I just got done doing chocolate DSPs, which are crazy hot. I did 2 of them. The first one, yeah. The second one. The first one was about right in there with the heat. That was the long-tailed variant. Cool peppers. I got to that second one and that one hit me hard. That's a good pepper. Flavor is really, I don't know, it didn't have, like I said, it didn't have a chinense flavor. It was very manageable. It wasn't like overly floral. I really could feel the capsaicin, like I don't know. I did some Szechuan peppercorn seeds before I did this. It's something that I've been doing. It really enhances the flavor of peppers. It did have some fruity notes to it. Very, very faint. It was very more, like Matthew was saying earlier, these are late season pods. They're different. They may not carry that same heat that the peak season pods carry. Me here, my season is late anyway. It's just our growing season. It's how it is. If I didn't have my greenhouses, I probably wouldn't have crops. That's how it goes around here. I would have them, but nothing like what I have right now. My greenhouses are loaded. That still had kick, though. It was at least a 6.5, 7. It was, like I said, if you don't do chilies on the regular, that one can get your attention. That'll hit your top of your scale. It's a good pepper, though. Good heat. I like it. Cool shape. Look at those. That's almost similar to what he's got going on with his Warthogs, in a way. Really cool. I like them. Good looking peppers. That's a good pepper. We'll see how it goes the rest of the night. I just got over calf cramps before, and I ate some protein here, some chicken, so I could get some protein in me to deal with this one, because I want to try them out and see how they do while they're still nice and fresh. That was a nice fresh pod. It was crunchy. It was good. I'm going to continue this little saga. That was good. Anyway, that was a really good pepper. I liked it. It's a good start. All right. Well, this is Harold Papa Bear's Peppers. Have a great day and keep growing.